The question for this presentation is what is the childcare leave and how much is the childcare leave in Singapore legally? Who gets the childcare leave? So, as you know, childcare leave is the leave given to the employee to take care of their children in exceptional circumstances. So, normally, when the children are young, they sometimes require parental support. For example, on a specific day, the child may be at home and a childcare facility or the school in which the child is going may be having a off. But other working places like offices and everything are still working, so on that day, it might be necessary that one of the parents stay back at home and take care of children. So this is a concept of child care leave, that when the child is at home, it enables one of the parent to remain at home with the children and spend time with them and take their care. Now, when it comes to Singapore, eligibility and quantum of the leave depends upon the nationality of the child. So the first qualifying criteria is that child is less than 7 years old. If the child is more than 7 years old, then there is no child care leave availability. And you have worked for the current employer at least for continuous 3 months. If these two conditions are satisfied, you are eligible to get child care leave. Now, how much child care leave you will get? If the child for whom you are taking the child care leave is a Singapore citizen child, then per parent per year 7 days of leave will be approved. So for two parents, for father and mother, together it is 14 days of childcare leave per year, which is quite generous, I will say. If your child is not a Singapore citizen, so it is either a permanent resident or on a dependent pass, or it is on some kind of long term social visit pass, then the childcare leave quantum is 2 days per parent per year, and that means it is going to be 4 days for two parents total together. So as you can see, the quantum of leave depends upon the nationality status of the child. So in a period of 7 years, for a Singapore citizen child, the total child care leave that can be taken is 42 days per parent, and for the non-Singapore citizen child it is going to be 14 days per parent. Childcare leave cannot be accrued and carried forward to next year. It has to be taken in that year only. So moving on to the next slide, in case of a part-time employee, so if you are working on part-time like 4 hours a day kind of arrangement, for a Singapore citizen child, proportionately adjusted leave will be available subject to a minimum of 2 days. So if you are working only half of the day, then in that case instead of 7 in a year you will get 3.5 days for that specific parent who is working part time. The other parent may still be eligible for a full leave. In case of a non-Singapore citizen child, proportionately adjusted leave is available, but there is no minimum ceiling. In case of Singapore citizen child, per parent the minimum leave will be still 2 days. So in summary, childcare leave is to take care of young children when and where it is necessary, and this childcare leave has been provided as per Employment Act. Quantum of this childcare leave depends upon the nationality of the child and your employment situation.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.